welcome back to TechOrbit channel. So firstly, I will start the next session. So till yet I teach you many functions. So we practice with that session with more test with more questions. So the next functions I will teach you. There's a one function I will say regarding text functions. So there is a text function. I told you there is a lots of functions. The first is a concatenate. Okay, concatenate is basically it just combine more than if there is a two, suppose there is a ram. Okay, in first column there is a sing. Okay, that is the first name of that customer, the second name of the customer, but I want the full name. So here you can use the concat function. So here when you use the concat function, it will come like that. It just combine two value with one. Okay, that is the concat function. It's just concatenating two text with one. Okay, the second is the left. So it means it will return the leftmost character from the text series. Okay, so that is the left function. And the third is the right function. It will return the rightmost character from the text. Okay, text string. And that was the right function. And the fourth one is the mid function. So the mid function, it will return the mid text. Okay, suppose the ram I won't return this, so it will return this. Okay, so the fifth one is a trim. Trim means it will remove leading and trailing space from the text. So leading and trailing space means, suppose you have this cell and you hit space. So here is nothing, and you start writing from here, and then again you press enter. Okay, hit space. So before that that name there is a one space, after that is word, after that name there is a one space. So the trim function, it is just trimming the space area from leading and trailing. Okay, from leading means starting space, and the trailing is the last space. So it's just trimming that string. Okay, the len function is basically just returning the length of the string. And the text function what it will return, so it will return if you have number, date and other values, it will just convert that your all the data types into the text. Okay, so I will show you in Excel sheet how it's working, then we will move with the next some more functions. Okay, so wait a minute, just making some space here. Okay, so concat function, suppose wait, here I can show you the data type. Okay, so I'm just making one space. I want here full name. Okay, so what we can say, we can not full name, I want the full name with prefix and the first name and the last name. Okay, I want that full name like that. Okay, so you can just write the concat that. Okay, first and make some space, comma, then again make some space, then comma. There, that is the that thing I don't like. I have to make one more space. When you start writing the formula now, so it like that only. Okay, concat, name of prefix, comma, text to text in text, I want some space. Okay, comma, then comma, then I want again space, then last name. Okay, after that I don't want any space. Just press enter. You can see here how it's came, and you just double click. It's full name using concat function. Okay, okay, so now left, how the left function is working. Suppose it is giving some left. Okay, you just write the left and taking the text, comma, I want how many characters, I want that 3 characters. It's giving the 3 characters from the left. Okay, and just rightmost, now you understood like rightmost how it will be given. Just write, select the text, comma, I want the last 5 characters. Just giving the 5 characters. Okay, like that. Then the mid one I want to say, so the mid one. So just write the mid function and just select the text where you want to start. I want to start with 3, and start number is 3, and how many characters you want, I want 6 characters. So you can see 1 2 3, it will start from S and it will end with 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it will take the 6 characters from 3. So the 3 character is S, so count from 3. So S A 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's ending with A. So it's taking the 6 characters. Okay, so that is the mid functions. Okay, the next function is the trim. So trim means suppose suppose trim basically is using in the cleaning part. Okay, so suppose if any characters, any text, any numbers have any of the space, so it will be make very big crashes on that analysis. So we using that trim for cleaning part. So trim is basically it's removing the unnecessary space. If any space is there, it will remove that. Okay, so that is the use of the trim. I can't show you how, but that is the basically. Okay, len function, it is just count the len of that string. So when you write the len, it will come like that. Count the how many characters in that strings. 5 characters in that string, like that. Okay. The next one is the text. Text is basically it's just if suppose if I want to show you like what is the type of this. So it will be the string. Basically it is a string. True means it's returning the something string. The data type is string. Okay. You want to say the what is the data type of this? So it will be the numbers, something number. It return 1, it will number. So it returns 1, so it is number. So but suppose here this and I made it string. Okay, I'm making it string. Okay. So I make this string. A minute. Some of like wait a minute. Suppose I write 2. Okay. Like that. Suppose I just take the type. So it's returning 2. You can see it's looking like number, but basically it is a string. Okay, basically it is a string, but this is the number now. So I have to convert this text, okay, in numbers. Okay, so suppose no, wait a minute, I just gave the wrong. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. It's basically suppose anything is text, but that is in a something date format, number format, so you can convert into that into on text. Suppose uh, you have mm, somewhere it will be used, but I don't know where. Format, suppose there is a number, so we can convert into on text. Like that we can do, I think. 2 3 4 5 6 text value comma format text. Wait a minute, how like what is the work of that? Okay. Okay, got it. How you want? Okay, means suppose you want this text in which type. Okay, so I want this text with the like that. Okay, with 2 0. Okay, like that it can do. Suppose I want that number with the suppose this is the date of birth. No, I will just give the example here. Suppose this is a date of birth and I just take the text function and I want this value. From that value I want D day. So it's written Tuesday. Okay, it's written Tuesday. Suppose 3 day, it returns TUT. It's very interesting thing, but I think we have to elaborate this more. So like something number, date and time, we can convert that how you want to look. Like you want that number with 20, that number with comma. Okay, suppose this salary. Okay, this salary you have, and this salary you want comma with 2, you comma with 2 digit. Okay, so you can write just text. Okay, there's many more things. Just this, just select that salary, comma, select that salary, and just wrote the has, comma, has 0. You can see it's just giving comma comma 294. Okay, if you remove 0, 294. If you remove one has 94. If you remove one has, it's giving like that. If you remove one has 180. Oh. Okay, so like that you can convert your cell, like number and date and time, your is desired, whatever you want, like that. Okay, that I think that functions, I new thing I learned about that function. Okay, I also don't know that text function like that is working. Okay, so now I will teach you the some date format. Okay, so date format functions, that is very simple. This function is very simple. Okay, so there's a one function is today function. Today function, when you write like this, so it will return today date. Whatever the today date, it will return this. That now it is also written to date. What is the today date, it will return that. Then third, date, when you write date, okay, so you can create your own specific date. You can write year, month, date. Okay, you can create your specific date. Time, time means you can create your own specific time, whatever you want. Then year, year means whatever the year will be there on that date, it will return that year. Okay, it will return that year. Then the six is the month. It will return the month, whatever the present in that date, it will return that month. Then the day, it will return the day. Okay, means from between 1 and 31, between 1 and 31, which day today is, which day. Okay, that is. Okay, so there's many more things, date format functions. So I will just show you. This is the date now. So just control shift plus, I just inserted one more. What is this? Yeah, control shift plus. Okay, I will just show you. uh Here I will show you the today. So you just write the today, and it will return the today date. Oh, I wrote the wrong thing. So you just see, this is the today date. Okay, when you write the now, so it will return the same today date. Okay, the next one is the, you can create your own specific date. Suppose you just write the date, and you just wrote the year. I want the 2000 here, and the month is 12 and the 23rd. It will return this. Okay, so this is the, you can create the date, you can create the time, you can create the time using time function. Okay, so hour, 12 minute, 24 second, 56. You can see 12:32, 34 p.m. So it's converted into that time. Okay, suppose this is the date. From that date I want to extract the year. This is date only now. Year, why it's giving the 12 a.m. What is this? uh, Okay, wait. Today लिखी मैंने year should be work. Oh, why it's not giving? It should be given a year. Should we extract the day year from that date? But why it's not extracting? Mm, no, no. Something is not working with that Excel. Something is not working with that Excel. Here it's written. What happening on that place? What is there in that place? Nothing now. I don't know what what happened in that place. Okay, I'm just extracting the age. Okay, wait. But today, sorry, year of the today minus year of the today minus something is not okay with this Excel sheet. Something is not okay. But you are saying now I use the year, it's extracting the year from the date. Okay. Day. See, it will extract. Yeah, it's extract the 16. What happened that time? I'm struggling. Okay. So month. You can see it's written the month also. I don't know what happened in this place. Ugh. Okay, it's written this. If you drag and drop, so it will show you the next one also. 20, 20, 60. If you drag and drop 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, something like that. Okay. Okay, like that. Okay. So that is all the things. So one thing I want to show you. If I found, I will show you. Wait a minute. Format cell. Right click on that format cell. Okay. Format cell. And here, if you come here and if you go on the number and the number. Nothing like that. That is all the format. We can change that. Already I told you now. We can change the format here. You can see. You can change the format here. Yeah, that I told you already now. From text also you can convert. From text also you can convert now. Text function. From the text function also you can convert now. So like this, and you just write the text function, and you just select the date, comma, and from the double quotes you can write your format. What format you want? You want day, and then you want month with the name, with 3 name, and then you want year. See, you got it. Same thing, you got it with the text function with full name. If you write that 4 time m, you will got the full name. That's it. Okay. And you want which day this is, means this is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, what is the name of that day. So again you can write the text and comma, you can just write double 4 time d, and it will give to Tuesday. It's Tuesday, and it will be the Thursday, like that it will come. Okay, I think now all the functions completed till yet. Now the next move I will told you, the next session what I'm going to teach you, the next, whatever the functions we need we completed. Now next, let's see what's coming. Okay, so we do practice all the things. We will meet soon. Okay, bye bye.